How to create your first video in Kinemaster. First of all, open the Kinemaster app and tap on the big Create Now or the plus icon on the main screen. You will now be asked to choose an aspect ratio. Select one that fits your content. For example, 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical videos. Next, you will be taken to the editing screen. Here, tap on the media option to import your photos and tap on the video option for video clips. Browse through your gallery and select the files you want to use in your project. Once selected, they will appear on the timeline at the bottom. Now tap on the cross icon at the top right corner to enter the full editing workspace. At this point, you can trim clips by selecting them and dragging the ends. To add music or sound effects, tap the audio button, choose your desired track, and tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. You can also adjust the volume or apply fade in and fade out effects to your audio. To include text, tap the layer button and then choose Text. Type your message, adjust the font, size, and position, and apply animation if needed. You can even add transitions between clips by tapping on the box between two videos and selecting from the available effects. Once you are satisfied with your project, tap the export icon at the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then tap Save as Video to save the video to your device. Now you know how to create your first video in Kinemaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.